nagkamali ng ginulat. And we're making our way to the like shopping boutiques. Pero ang lakas ng ulan, Bev! Ano ba yan?
The only pro is gano'n kainit.
Yeah. I guess
so
because it's raining so much, hindi mainit. Pero bagay, I found a keychain that really spoke to me, guys. We went to a random apartment building with boutiques, and then we spent majority of our afternoon there. Now we're on our way to eat pho. Oh, we're here. We just had our pho and oh my god, there was a random like park here right outside the restaurant. Ang grabe, sobrang ganda ng trees. Ang lalakad. Signs of aging. Bumabalik na sa bumabalik na sa Airbnb.
Yeah, idol ka na namin.
The contrast between the weather yesterday and the weather today. It's so sunny! Also, may nakachikahan kami sa lobby ng Airbnb namin. Sobrang chika ni Kuya! But it was nice meeting you, sir, if you're watching this. Wow! We're back here at Cathy Cafe. You may recall last night it was kind of a fail. Hanggang 7 PM lang yung ano. So, alis na kami. So, you have to pay 150,000 dong in order to actually see the capybaras. But they have promo packages where you can buy food and also see the capybaras, which is I think a lot more worth it than 150,000 dong for just the entrance fee. The packages they have is worth 200,000 dong, so 50,000 dong lang yung difference. So, syempre, yun na yung kukunin namin. Also, my god, the lighting. I love it! They didn't really have a lot of like items and designs. Parang puro plain lang.
Basics.
Puro basics and denim. Ito napapala namin sa kakanood ng TikTok.
60 pesos namin.
Uy! We We just came from the Fine Arts Museum and sobrang init doon. Grabe.
Super hot.
Super hot. But ganda naman yung mga artwork. Pero maganda yung artwork. It's just really old. Pati yung building, luma din siya. Yung structure ng building nila, it's similar to the National Museum nung hindi pa siya na-renovate. Today was a good day, but it was so freaking hot. But thank you, Lord. Biglang bawal. Makikisingit. Ganyan siya.
Supportive yan.
Supportive yun sa jowa niya. May live stream pa nga. Ganyan siya. Kami, walang mga jowa.
Maghahanap.
The weather is perfect today, guys. Yes, I do get excited over trees. Who cares? Home sweet home. Pwede mo drink. We found the store DMC random. We were walking. Tapos 50 off pa lahat. So naturally, napabili na naman po si Hisan. Excited na kami.
Wala lang rice, pero hindi na eh.
Yeah, pero meron namang
Noodles. Pero kasi siya grilled na pork, tapos nakabalot sa gulay. Sana sa pa.
Thank you.